Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to disable CMD by without any software. So first and complete method, only one method to complete this requirement. First click to start run and then enter the run. Then just single click to open. After that enter regedit registry. After that click to yes. Okay, and this is required for the administrator rights to click yes. So current user, extract software, extract policies. Okay, so extract policies, then Microsoft. Okay, extract Microsoft, then Windows, extract, and right click to Windows, then new, and then click on key, then enter the system as capital M system, and then OK. After that right click and again new and 32 and enter the disable D capital ISABLE and caps CMD and just enter and double click to value, enter the 1, then OK, and after that restart your system and then checked. If you are unable, so double click to value, enter the 0. Okay, this is enable. Thank you.